Intel launched the 11th generation Intel Core processors and Intel Iris Xe graphics, codenamed Tiger Lake. It's in fact the world's best processors for thin and light laptops. They are in fact, by no exaggeration, the best processors for a variety of usages, be it real-world productivity, be it collaboration, be it entertainment, be it gaming. None of these up until now was possible in true thin and light form factors, disconnected, on battery. These are experiences that are enabled across Windows and Chrome OS environments. And Intel also introduced Intel Evo brand of laptops, verified for the 2nd edition specification for Project Athena innovation program. It's an innovation program that is raising the bar of what's possible on laptops, what experiences can be created on laptops. None of this would be possible without very close collaboration, very close association, very close engineering, very close optimizations together with our partners. Very, very proud once again to have these partners together with us to talk about what is possible using 11th generation Core and Intel Evo platform.
The Acer Swift 5, which is based on Intel Core 11th generation Core CPU. It comes with the antimicrobial coating, quite a useful feature in the current pandemic crisis. Usage of this technology, a high-powered productive processor of the 11th generation on a thin and light platform requires a lot of innovations in the thermal. It has 1 TB of high-speed SSD storage with a much powerful graphics supported by the 11th generation Core processor, and to ensure that the next generation cooling solutions on this platform.
We're super excited that very soon we will bring into India a complete new lineup powered by 11th Gen Intel Core processors and the Evo platform. This machine is ZenBook Flip S. We have a tagline for it. We call it the world's slimmest OLED comfortable laptop. And we also try to provide the best viewing experience by using the 4K UHD OLED panel.
Let me start by congratulating Intel team on the launch of 11th Gen CPUs, which have taken innovation to the next higher level. This launch couldn't have happened at a better time. PC industry is seeing a lot of excitement building up with people using PCs much more than ever before for the purpose of working from home, learning from home, play, collaborate, and stay connected. We also consider it our responsibility to create some of the best premium devices. Our focus is on thin and light, and XPS is one of the most desirable Windows laptop in this category. With the launch of new processors from Intel, our XPS experience has also improved significantly.
We are bringing together amazing customer experiences with combination of jaw-dropping design and never-before performance. Tiger Lake by Intel will provide better CPU performance, massive AI performance improvement, and a huge leap in graphics performance as well. It will give altogether new experience to our customers by creating a series of more advanced laptops for people who live life on the go.
And really happy to be part of this very exciting launch from Intel. Now, Lenovo and Intel have always had this shared vision globally of how technology can make human lives better and also help all of us achieve a far higher degree of creativity and productivity than what is deemed possible today. And we have now a complete portfolio of products which are ready with the Tiger Lake processors, as well as some products which qualify under Project Athena. Now, what it means for our consumers is that very soon they'll get to experience a completely new level of computing power, a completely new level of graphics experience, which is on the Xe architecture, and also far improved battery life than what they have experienced on the products. We wish the Intel team the very best for this new launch and hope to create a lot of happy customers very soon on this new range of processors.
A big thank you to Sudhir, Leon, Rishi, Ketan, and Shailendra for their support and collaboration. Intel has collaborated closely with our partners to drive innovation across the entire PC platform, and our relationships with Acer, Asus, Dell, HP, and Lenovo help us year after year to shape, co-engineer, optimize, and verify the best laptop experiences for modern work life.